Now, students, these are important points from digestive systems and frequently asked in the competitive examinations like NEET and other entrance examinations. So, first point is alimentary canal. It is divided into three parts: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. The origin of foregut is ectodermal, midgut is endodermal, and hindgut is ectodermal. Second point is oral cavity or mouth cavity. The roof of oral cavity is divided into hard palate and soft palate. It is anterior most part and it is the posterior most part. Hard palate, the bone is maxillary bone inside the hard palate. Soft palate, it is also called velum palati and uvula, and there are connective tissues present inside the soft palate. Now, point number third, on tongue there are taste buds from which we perceive taste of different types. So there are four taste buds: circumvallate, inverted V-shaped, and largest taste bud fungiform, it is mushroom shaped. Filiform, it is numerous in number but there is no taste buds. Now last one is foliate, it is leaf like taste bud. Now dentition, the arrangement of teeth in our mouth is called dentition. In human being there are two sets of teeth. First one is milk teeth or temporary teeth. The dental formula is incisor 2/2, canine 1/1, premolar 0/0, and molar 2/2. Total 2 and 1 3 2 5. तो 5/5 मल्टीप्लाई 2, बिकॉज ये हाफ जा का होता है, रिप्रेजेंटेशन करता है हाफ जा को, तो मल्टीप्लाई 2 कर देंगे तो होल जा हो जाएगा 10/10 इक्वल टू 20. नाउ परमानेंट टीथ इंसीजर 2/2, canine 1/1, premolar 2/2, and molar 3/3. So 2 1 3 2 5 8, 8/8 into 2, 16/16, 32. So there are 20 teeth and permanent is 32. So only 12 teeth erupt once in life is spawn. Now next point is Sharpe fibers. Sharpe fibers fix our root of teeth in socket. So these fibers are very important and related to teeth, root of teeth. Now next one is monophyodont. Teeth appear once in lifetime. Example, third molar of a human being and are premolar. Diphyodont appear twice in lifetime. Example, canine and first molar. Polyphyodont appears several times in lifetime. Example, shark, teeth of shark. Now these two dental formula are very important because there is minor difference and frequently asked in examination. Rat 1003/1003, total 4/4, multiply 2, 8/8, 16. Elephant 1003/0003, 4/3, multiply 2, 8/6, total 14. So there is very minor difference. Now lymphoid tissues present in our pharynx, and these tissues are present as a ring that is called Waldeur's rings. Very important questions. Now histology of alimentary canal. So the innermost layer is serosa. This is serosa, finger-like structure and very important for absorption of food, present in small intestine. Outer to this is submucosa. Red color represents submucosa, in which Brunner's gland are present, and this gland secretes mucus. Now third one is outer to submucosa is muscularis externa, in which two types of muscles are present: inner circular muscles and outer longitudinal muscles, and outermost is serosa. So serosa is made up of squamous epithelium and areolar tissues. Muscularis externa, outer muscles longitudinal and inner muscles circular. सबम्यूकोसा ब्लड वेसल्स एंड लिम्फ वेसल्स होता है, और म्यूकोसा फिंगर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर टू वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेक्सेस प्रेजेंट इन द हिस्टोलॉजी ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन. फर्स्ट वन is present between serosa and muscularis externa. It is called Auerbach's plexus. And second one is present in submucosa, Meissner's plexus. These plexus are very important to control nerval activity of intestine, because these are the group of neurons, and they secrete some neurotransmitter which stimulate or inhibit the action of alimentary canal. Now next point is peristalsis movement occur in esophagus. It is also called food pipe. Churning movement, it is present in stomach. Now salivary glands. These salivary glands, 4 in number, secrete saliva. pH of saliva is 6.3 to 6.8, almost neutral, and secretes 1 to 1.5 liter per day. So first salivary gland is parotid glands, largest gland, and there is a duct, Stensen's duct, which secretes saliva open near second molars upper, in upper jaw. Very important. Second one is submandibulars. It is also called submaxillary. Duct is Watson and open near the lower incisor. Third one is sublingual. It is the smallest duct, ravenous, open floor of buccal cavity. Now fourth one is infraorbital or zygomatic. It is not present in human being and rabbit. It is present dog and other carnivores. It is also called Ebner's gland. Now gastric glands, the number is 3 million. Secretion of gastric glands at 2 to 3 liter per day gastric juice, in which HCl is present, secreted by parietal cells or oxyntic cells. CIF, Cassell's intrinsic factors which help in synthesis of vitamin 12. Chief zymogenic or peptic cells secretes pepsinogen. It is inactive. Presence of HCl, it became active and convert into pepsin, and this pepsin broken protein into peptones and proteases, polypeptides. pH of pepsin is very acidic, 1.1 to 1.5. Next one is argentefine cells. There are 3 types of cells. D cells secrete somatostatin, inhibitory to gastric motility. ECL cells secretes serotonin, vasodilator. G cells, gastrin, which stimulate motility of alimentary canal. Now intestinal glands. There are 2 types. Crypt of Lieberkühns secrete intestinal juice, and Brunner glands secrete mucus. So this is all about important point of digestive system.